everything was different that day. So that particular day everything was different. They did not they were not able to watch TV, they were not able to use phones, or they were not able to use any other electronic gadgets. Okay, so the boy came back home. Okay, Rahul came back home and he told everything about what happened in the school to his mom. I read all the stories book in my library book that afternoon. So Rahul read the books uh, which he had borrowed from library. They were so interesting, and he found it very interesting to read those books. And also he also said that his librarian is going to be very happy due to his behavior. I take 1 week to read a book most of the time, as I spend the whole afternoon watching TV. So there was a slightly difference, when the electronic gadgets been working and when the electronic gadgets been not working. Yeah. So that particular day when everything was down, shut down, server was down. Okay, this boy Rahul, he had finished reading the story books and he found it very interesting. Okay, and usually Rahul takes 1 week to complete one story book. Okay, because the whole afternoon he used to spend watching TV. Father came home early that evening. Our computer were not working today for some unknown reason, he said. So his father also came back from his office and he also complained that his computers were not working with some reasons, unknown reasons, which no one knows. Clear? I couldn't complete my work at my office, but it worked out well actually. I could clear out my desk and complete my filling and paperwork. So, uh, so he found it very, very easy because he had completed all his office work. Okay, he had cleaned up his desk. He also have done all the paperwork, pending paperwork. I will just make a few phone calls and then we can sit in a garden for a while, said father. So his father told that he just have to make a few phone calls. After that, they are going to sit outside in the garden and have some snacks. But what happened? Make a few phone calls, said mother. Is your phone working? So Rahul's mother said to his father that, her father, yes, his father, that if he is going to make a phone calls, he couldn't because the phones are not working. Why? Asked father. Our phone's not working? Of course not, said mother. Nothing is working. Even my radio is not working. So her mother told that nothing is going to work because all the electronic gadgets are not working. They are all shut down. Even her radio is not working. I did tell you let us have a landline, but you said we didn't need one. Okay, so later on her mother complains that she have told her father, sorry, Rahul's father, that to take a landline in emergency cases, but his father denied it for that. And now see, they are in need of landlines. Now we can't speak to anyone. Okay, so here are some questions based on this paragraph. Which is, how were the things different that day? Why did Rahul's father came home early that day? Why could Rahul's father make no phone calls? Here. Okay. Now next, let's move to the other paragraph. Is there any urgent call you need to make? Malti asked father. So as we know that all the phone calls are dead now, they cannot speak to anyone else, and that is why Rahul's father asked his mother that whether she have to make any urgent calls or not. My mother was not well last night. I did want to find out how she is today, said mother. So her mom told that her Rahul's Nani is not well, so she needs to speak to her. She wants to know whether she is fine or not. Let's go and see Nani, mother, I said. We haven't seen her for a long time. So an idea erupted in Rahul's mind that they should go and meet Nani because it has been long time they haven't met her. Yes, agreed father. That would be nice. Malti, let's make something nice for dinner. we can carry it to their house and have a meal together. Okay, so her father also agreed to go there, and he also said Malti. Malti is who? Malti is Rahul's mom. So he said to Malti to make some nice dinner so that they can go there and have a dinner together. I shall do that, said mother. That is a good idea. And her mother appreciated the idea and she agreed to go there and to make a dinner. That evening, mother packed a basket of food for a dinner. We bought some fruit on the way and were soon at Nani and Nana's house. And they were really happy to see us. So it was a very great evening that day. Her mom cooked, Rahul's mom cooked a very delicious food for the dinner, and also they had carried some fruits from the way, and very soon they have reached Nani's and Nana's house, and looking them, Nani's and Nana were very happy. Okay, so here are two questions given on the board. Why had Rahul's mother wanted to speak to his Nani that day? What was Rahul's mother name? I went for a walk in the park, said Nana. I have never seen so many people walking around. Children were running around. This no service and no signal day has been a good experience. Okay, so that particular day Nana went to have some walk in the park. And what did he see there? He saw that means the ground was full of people. Okay, so many people have come there. And it was very shocking for him, because usually the children, the other people, they don't come. Very few people come for a walk. Children were running around. This no service, no signal day has been a good experience. So that is why he said that the people leaving their electronic gadgets, phones, TVs, computers, laptops, yes, they have at least come out from that electronic gadgets world to the real world actually. Okay, and that is why it has been a good experience for Nana. Yes, said Nani, I feel better too. Many my friends came to visit me this morning. So just because of this, people started meeting to each other, and even Nani's friends also have come to meet her. And I noticed one thing, said Nana. Nani's friends usually sit in a circle, keep looking at their smartphones. So still, here also what we do is, when we are sitting together with our friends or family, we are still watching or we are still surfing the net. We are still using the phones. And here also in the story we can see that Nani's friend are also, whenever they are meeting to each other, they just make a circle and they are using their phone. But on that particular day, they were not using the phone. These ladies have been so busy with their phones that they don't talk to each other. Today it was different. So that day it was different, okay? Because the phone was not working. They chatted so much that they forgot to look at their watches. They didn't go home till one of them said it was time for lunch. Okay, so that day it was different. They started chattering, they started talking to each other. They have spent too much time together that they forgot. They did not look what's the time is. Okay, unless and until one of the person came and told them it is time for lunch. We all laughed. I am the only one who doesn't have smartphone. You better get me one, said Nani. Okay, so everybody started laughing, and Nani said that everyone have smartphones, but she doesn't have, so she need one of them. But what if the aliens have attacked our server, TVs and smartphones, and we never ever get our signal back again, said father. So father, when they were having a conversation about this, he told he just wondered that what if the aliens have attacked the server. Okay, they have attacked the TV, they have attacked the server of the TV, smartphones, laptops, and what if the the signal doesn't come back? What will happen to the world? There was a silence, and then we all laughed again. Okay, so they were silent because they were just wondering what will happen if the phone will not work, if the TVs will not work. They won't be so bad, said Nana. we are either talking on our phones or listening to the radio or watching TV. We have had such fun time together as a family today. Let's hope that aliens have switched off all the system forever. So here Nana said that what we do is in our life that we always use our means we continuously use our phones. We are always with the phones, with electronic gadgets. Yes, and we always listen to the radio. We watch televisions, but this was the time where they are spending the family time together. Yes, so Nana hopes that the aliens in real they switched off the system or switched off the server and the signal never comes back. Okay. Okay. So 3 questions on the board. Why did Nani feel that no server, no signal day had been good experience? What did Rahul's father think had happened to all their system? Why do you think there was a moment of silence?